What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Singley's DIY Renovations. Thanks for tuning into our second video. Those of you that already watched our first video, you know we built a kitchen island for just under $1,000. This thing has been amazing. It's approximately 8 feet long by 54 inches wide. We spend so much time at this island. I love it. It adds so much accent to this kitchen. But every day when I would walk into the kitchen, I'd look at it, I'm like, yeah, the island looks great, but something is missing. Something is missing. So what did I do? Pendant lights, guys. Pendant lights add so much accent to the kitchen. They make it look completely finished. So I searched everywhere. I went to Lowe's, Home Depot, searched everywhere, got online. Amazon, guys. Amazon is freaking awesome. So I found these lights on Amazon. They were $99 a piece. $99 a piece. And they completely changed the look of this kitchen. So I'm going to show you guys in this video how I wired them into the existing can lights. Hopefully it helps you guys out. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to leave a comment in the box below and I will answer any questions you have. I also am going to link the description for the lights themselves. They are 99 bucks, guys. I'm telling you, you're not going to find anything like this. The same lights at Home Depot and Lowe's were approximately $160, $170. So hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully you can save some money and add these awesome lights to your kitchen. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, let's get after this build.
Basic old work. These are called old work boxes. So these tabs, they come out. Once you get this shoved up in there and you tighten these screws, these tabs come out. They tighten back down onto your sheetrock, and it holds like crazy. So they fit really snug to begin with. You just kind of force them in a little bit. You don't want too much slop in there. On there with your fingers first. And then take it and you want to twist that fucker. And you want it to even twist up on the insulation to where it's just fucking tight, man. See that? See how it's wound on here too? Not just the copper, but the insulation's wound around each other like that, just by twisting. Put that fucker back on. This one. It's not moving around or anything. I should have gone through.